Alright guys, so I'm heading over to Mike's right now. We're going to do the axle in my car, but I just wanted to point out, do you see the time? I don't know if it's going to focus or not, but, hold on a minute. Yeah, okay, it's 7 o'clock at night, and it's pitch black out. I cannot wait until the springtime, summertime comes around, where it stays light out till almost, 9 o'clock at night. It's so much nicer. It makes just doing anything after work more fun, because getting out of work at 5 o'clock and then ending up, it's just dark, and you can't do anything for the rest of the night. But that's just a quick update. I'm heading over to Mike's, so I'll catch back up with you when we get there. Alright, so, made it to Mike's. Is this mic on? Yeah, the mic on. So, we're over at Mike's house right now. I'm going to take the wheel off the car, and then, as you can see, it's right there. This is the side the axle's bad on. I'm crossing my fingers that this is the axle I replaced, because I don't actually remember if this is the one I replaced. And it's covered by AutoZone's warranty, so it's a lifetime.
Well, that's why you have to go back there first.
Yeah, I have a lifetime warranty on the axle, so it's going to make replacing this, free, which is great. So, we're going to pull this off, do a little, maybe a time lapse, I don't know. It may just get too complicated with this whole big thing I've got going on here, but cool. Okay, so we've got the axle nut off. We have everything back here off from the strut to the hub assembly. But right now what we're running into is the problem. We only have one side of the car jacked up. So what we have to do is jack the other side of the car up, because the sway bar is holding this side up. Wait. No, it's holding this side up.
The control arm up.
The control arm up, so this won't go down far enough for it to clear the strut. So the axle and the strut are hitting each other. So that's the issue that we're having right now. But it's been what, like 15 minutes? Not even?
Yeah.
So we're almost finished. Alright, so I know the lighting in here is not the best, but we got the axle out. So now we're gonna go to AutoZone. It is the correct axle, so we're good. It's under warranty. They've got one in stock. We're gonna come back, put it back in. Here's the, oh, where's my light? Where did I put my light? Oh, it's right here. Here we go. Alright. So if you look in there, she came out of there real smooth. It was a little bit stuck from sitting for a while and from doing pulls, but I think, how does that look? Oh god. Is that too bright? That is way too bright. Oh god. Here we go. So I think we'll be okay. Putting it back in, it shouldn't go too hard. It should be super smooth. Alright, well, heading off to AutoZone to pick up the new axle. Ready?
Oh, fuck yeah, bud.
Perfect. That's what I like to hear, bud. Phone. Obnoxious sized water.
Are you forgetting something?
And it's dark. Oh, I'm forgetting my axle, aren't I?
Yes, the whole...
Axle. Nice. Okay. It is pitch black outside. We're walking over to the Mazda. Is that a mother or is that that's a mother? She's gonna be stressed my car's in the garage.
Could be.
I'm sorry in advance.
No, dumbass, there's a handle. Don't break my wing off.
I thought you meant it was popped, like.
Yeah, it doesn't pop.
Okay. Let's go.
Yeah, I'll close it.
Into the Mazda we go. Good stuff. Do you want me to get it? We've made it to the zone. Oh god.
Did you like that?
Oh god. I hate this place. It's so the parking lot is so bad. There's a huge dip coming in. Low car, not friendly.
Dickhead.
Sorry, bud. New one. Ready to go. Back in the car. So, now before we go back to install the axle, we're gonna go to Smoothie King, get some fresh smoothies, and then we're gonna throw the axle in and we'll be all set. You would smoke the absolute balls off that car.
That thing might be stock just with the exhaust.
Yeah. Check engine light stuff, bud.
Oh, I don't fuck around. I don't know if he was about the lifestyle.
I don't know. Oh, you should focus, bud. Come on.
Could be the window.
Yeah.
Come on.
I heard you said I ain't the type for you. I don't regret it.
There we go.
I learned from it. They
All
should
right.
have you locked up for all the time you stole from us. Whoa. Took you up
We
when
just
I
got our
had no
smoothie
money. Only person that you ever cared
This stuff
about
is
was you.
bomb.
That's why it's so funny. You want
sure.
somebody that'll keep you warm at night to tell me
Now
why
we're
you
heading back
wouldn't
to,
go to me. You
finish
ain't
the job.
only one to blame, the one that made you
Oh, yeah.
rich when I
I feel like it's a focus.
question is, will I ever clean the walls off inside?
That's a toss-up, man. I don't know.
I don't know. I can't tell.
That could be a one of those Camry jobs, or it could be something dope like a Focus RS, right?
So it's definitely not a Camry.
So Focus RS versus its older brother.
The speed
Maybe. You need to get over, my dude. Hell yeah, let's see what this is. Is it a Camry? If it's a Camry, I'm gonna be really sad. Oh no. What is that? It's a hatch. It's a Focus.
Is it an RS though?
Yes, it is an RS. Not bad. I love the Focus RS.
Oh,
that
that's
looks so good.
That gray one too.
Damn. That gray color is absolutely gorgeous. I was thinking about wrapping. I just smoked my camera on the windshield. Anyway, I was actually thinking about wrapping my car that color, but it's too narrow, so I feel like it wouldn't look good. I don't know. Put it in the comments. What do you think, Mike?
Thinking about that cop,
Where?
the one that's coming up.
Is he coming up?
Yes.
Still? Alright, we are back from AutoZone. We've got the new axle. We stopped at Smoothie King and got our sustenance bomb right there. Boom. Here's the new axle. It's like a super simple process, so to actually go through it would absolutely make no sense. But I'm going to do it anyway. So here, this end is the male side that goes into the transmission, which is a female. This side is also a male, which goes right into here. Comes through this way, and you put a nut on the end of it. Yeah, it's really simple. You just pop off these two bolts here after you take the wheel off, and this falls forward. The axle pops right out. It just clips right in, and it's ready to go.
What's the deal?
Sit. Axle's back in. Time to put the wheel back on. And, oh no. What is that? Mike, how you doing, bud?
Fantastic. Why do you ask?
What's wrong with you?
Nothing. No, I'm fine.
I think that says otherwise.
No, it's no.
No?
No problem at all.
No, just a little bloody nose, that's all?
Yeah, no, I'm fine.
Okay. Dave & Buster's and stupid long.
Arcade for big people.
Yeah. It's a barcade.
Yeah, they sell alcohol. You get really fucked up and you play games.
So Uber to Dave & Buster's and then Uber back. Uber everywhere.
Just, you know where Dave & Buster's is, right?
No.
Albany.
Okay. Uber
Albany.
Uber to fucking Albany.
Albany or Palisades.
All right. So finish the car up. We're good to go. I'll take it out for a spin and see how it goes and update you after.